Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about TrafficGuard Experience, Altrooz and TrafficGuard partnership. Improved reach and campaign optimization have resulted in an advertising ROI increase of 20% for its clients. With real-time visibility of traffic quality, Altrooz not only sees the sources delivering invalid traffic, but also those delivering verified traffic that it wants to scale. How TrafficGuard helped Rappi. As a high-growth super app, ad fraud was impacting Rappi's businesses in a variety of ways, so they needed a comprehensive solution. After evaluating multiple vendors, TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention stood out as the most suitable solution for Rappi's needs. Since using TrafficGuard, Rappi has observed an increase in advertising ROI and has been able to optimize campaigns faster for higher-quality app users. Advertise and grow confidently. TrafficGuard's real-time fraud prevention keeps your traffic clean, increases reach, and drives return on ad spend. TrafficGuard's PPC protection makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to protect their Google Ads campaigns from click fraud. Getting set up is simple and takes just minutes. TrafficGuard actively monitors your Google Ads traffic and automatically blacklists sources of invalid traffic 24/7. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about TrafficGuard and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.